Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. We'll be discussing exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, as well as the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. To stay up to date with other stock-related content, make sure you check out the TipRanks Instagram at TipRanks for Investors. All right, now let's jump right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are trading fairly flat this morning, but leaning slightly to the green. We have the Dow futures down 0.01%, while the S&P 500 futures are up 0.07% and NASDAQ futures up 0.12%. Shares of clean energy fuels jumped in the after-hours trading session yesterday after the company announced an investment plan to create renewable natural gas from dairies. Clean Energy Fuels is the leading provider of renewable natural gas for the transportation industry, enabling thousands of vehicles to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. The investment will be made both independently and with partners Total Energies and BP plc. Furthermore, Clean Energy launched a new company logo and a new website. RNG currently makes up 70% of the fuel sold at Clean Energy's network of stations, and the company stated that it's on track to provide the fuel at all of its stations by 2025. Analysts are a bit split on this one, as the rating comes in as a hold with 2 buys, 1 hold, and 1 sell, but the average upside does come in at 37%. Apple's Beats has unveiled Studio Buds earbuds. The new product is priced at $149.99 and has enhanced audio features like active noise cancellation, IPX4 water resistance, sweat resistance, and USB-C charging, as well as up to 24 hours of battery life. Notably, the Beats Studio Buds will support both iOS and Android devices. The Apple stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 22%. The most recent rating came in just yesterday with an upside of 53%. FedEx has bumped up their dividend over 15% to 75 cents per share. That dividend is payable on July 12th to shareholders of record on June 28th, and it brings their yield to now 1.02%. The FedEx CEO said that increasing our dividend reinforces our commitment to drive value for share owners. Our balance sheet and cash flow allow us to strategically invest in long-term profitable growth while also rewarding our share owners by raising our dividend. Their stock comes in as a strong buy with an average upside potential of nearly 17%. General Electric and Safran plan to develop a new jet engine. They've announced a program called CFM RISE, or Revolutionary Innovation for Sustainable Engines, that aims to reduce fuel consumption and CO2 emissions by more than 20%, facilitated by open-blade engines. GE Aviation is a global provider of jet engines, components, and systems for commercial and military aircraft, and Safran is an international high-technology group operating in the aviation, defense, and space markets. The program will establish a range of new disruptive technologies for future engines expected to enter service by the mid-2030s. Furthermore, the technology developed under RISE will be 100% compatible with alternate energy sources such as sustainable aviation fuels and hydrogen. The GE stock does come in as a moderate buy with an average upside potential of just nearly 4%, as it is being weighed down by a couple hold ratings from 2 months ago. The most recent ratings from this last month range from 11% to 26% upside. ConextLogic has signed a 2-year partnership deal with PrestaShop. Following the deal at the announcement, shares of the company rose over 12% in the after hours yesterday. The partnership will enable merchants and brands on the PrestaShop platform to sell their products on the Wish marketplace. Moreover, PrestaShop merchants will be offered marketing and sales support, including special incentives. Wish will now be granted the official trusted partner status on PrestaShop, and the deal will provide its customers with even more quality merchants and brands, which is expected to further boost online sales. The Wish stock comes in as a moderate buy with an average upside of over 81%. And global industrial tech company Helios Technology has agreed to acquire NEM SRL. They are a hydraulic solutions company which provides handling, construction, industrial vehicle, and agricultural solutions to its customers. Helios Technologies develops and manufactures hydraulic and electronic control solutions for diverse markets. The terms of the deal have not yet been disclosed, but the transaction is likely to close in the third quarter of this year. Their stock is currently rated a moderate buy with an average upside potential of over 13%. Now, moving over to notable earnings reports. Now, as I mentioned yesterday, guys, we are starting the week off fairly quiet as far as earnings reports go. Now, yesterday we did hear from HEXO, whose shares dropped after posting disappointing third quarter results. Now, HEXO is a Canadian cannabis company focused on smoke-free and traditional cannabis products. The company posted a net loss of 20.7 million Canadian, compared to a loss of 19.5 million in the prior year. On a per-share basis, the loss was 17 cents per diluted share, whereas analysts were expecting the company to report a loss of just 6 cents per share on revenue of 34.42 million. Their stock is currently rated a hold by analysts with an average upside potential of 32%. Other earnings reports expected this morning are Quidian and David's Tea. And in the after hours, we see things start to pick up a bit, expecting to hear from Oracle, La-Z-Boy, and H&R Block. So let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Clearside Biomedical. Trading under the ticker CLSD, they're currently up 60%, followed by Unique Fabricating under UFAB, and they're up 32%. And Torchlight Energy Resources under TRCH, currently up 31%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Document Security Systems. Under the ticker DSS, they're currently down 41%, followed by PDS Biotech Corporation under PDSB, currently down 18%, and Sage Therapeutics under SAGE, currently down 21%. So that'll be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to tune in at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to catch Richard Allen's Power Hour, where he'll catch you up with all the market news that's been going on throughout the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic Tuesday, and we will see you back here next time.